What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to take a look at a TwoSun pen. I decided I'm really trying to stay with more American-made EDC gear, but I did want to take a look at this pen because when you get into pens with this much detail, they do tend to get very expensive. So wanted to really kind of check out in detail a pen that is a little more affordable for some of the guys out there. So let's take a look at this. This is the TS-PEN 30, I do believe. So overall, really does look pretty good. Feels good in the hand. It is about 4.5 inches, I think, overall. Yeah. Mechanism feels good. It's got a little grittiness to it. I could probably lube it up, but it feels really good. You know, it's got that pocket clip that works as a, get that on camera, as a bolt action. So, yeah. Like I said, maybe a little lube in there. The texturing feels good in hand. It really does feel good. Titanium, paid $30 for it. So this pen from a lot of other US makers would probably be in the upwards of $200 depending on the actual maker. You know, when you get into the frag patterns and stuff like that, they do tend to get pretty expensive. And this is a Mazwan. Focus on his logo. You know, that's why I like TwoSun. You know, some people don't like TwoSun, but I'll tell you what, the guys over there, the designers that design the stuff for TwoSun, they are very, very EDC friendly. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, okay, there it is. Yeah, I didn't even see that seam right there. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, doesn't even say what kind of gel insert. It did say gel on the site, but it doesn't say what kind it is. So that's interesting. So we'll have to figure out what we can actually use in place of that one that will fit. So I'll have to measure it. But oh yeah, overall though, I think it's pretty nice. Let me see. Let me put a little bit of KPL on there and see if that smooths it out a little bit. Boy, I must have really put that thing on there. Just a little dab in here. Yeah. Yeah, that'll work itself in there, and action will be pretty good, I think. Yeah, yeah, it feels pretty good in hand. Perfect length. Some of these pens get a little short for me, for being comfortable in the hand, but overall, guys, I tell you, that feels pretty good. We will compare it down the road to obviously much more expensive knives, but there you go. That is the TwoSun TS-PEN 30. All right, guys, have a great day. We'll catch you next time. Bye.